Hello everyone, welcome back to the Naughty Samurai channel. Today we are starting our very first Applied Machine Learning Black Belt series. So take a moment, get comfy, and let's dive into the journey one step at a time. So what exactly is machine learning? Machine learning is when you stop hard-coding instructions and let the computer learn from examples. For instance, it is like raising a baby who doesn't know what a cat or a dog is, but after showing it 100 pictures of each, it starts getting the vibe. You don't say this is a cat because of its triangular ears and soft meows. Instead, you just show tons of examples and the baby starts learning on its own. Now imagine that baby is a computer. You feed it 1,000 pictures of dogs and 1,000 pictures of cats. And over time, the machine learns. This fluffy boy on the left, that is definitely a cat. And this good boy on the right, oh yeah, that's a dog. That is what machine learning is. No rules and a shit ton of data. So after this gruesome example, if you want to define machine learning in technical terms, it is a field of artificial intelligence that teaches computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Now, machine learning can be divided into three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So first comes the supervised learning. In supervised learning models, the question and the answers both are given. The model has to go find patterns and learn. After enough practice, the model predicts answers on its own. Email spam detection, price prediction, facial recognition, there are countless other examples like this which takes supervised learning into consideration. Second comes the unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning is more of telling the model, no answers, no hints, just raw data. Go find the hidden patterns. The model gets unlabeled data and tries to figure stuff out along the way. For instance, grouping customers based on behavior or finding hidden patterns in data. Clustering, recommendation engines are the major examples of this unsupervised learning model. And then comes the final kind of machine learning model, the reinforcement learning. It's like a gamer who tries, fails, learns, gets rewards, and repeats. So this is like the main character in a game that takes actions in an environment set in an open world and gets rewards or punishments according to what it does. This can be like training a dog to sit with treats or a bot learning how to play a game by trial and error. There are countless examples where this model is used, like that in self-driving cars, automated robots, and tons of stuff like that. So this was it for today. Until next time, keep your mind sharp, your code clean, and stay sane. The Naughty Samurai signing off.